Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Trupanion for pet insurance billing and claims, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your Trupanion account set up. Log into your Trupanion account using your credentials. Locate the section for billing and claims. Select Authorize Vet Visit to initiate the process. Enter your pet's information, including their name and date of birth. Provide details about the veterinary clinic you are visiting. Input the appointment date and the reason for the visit. Review the information for accuracy. Click on Submit Authorization. Wait for the authorization confirmation from Trupanion. Once confirmed, present this authorization at the veterinary clinic. The clinic will then process the billing directly with Trupanion. If there are any additional charges, discuss these with the veterinary staff. After your visit, ensure that all claims are accurately submitted. Keep a copy of any invoices or documents for your records. Monitor the status of your claim through your Trupanion account. Contact Trupanion's customer support if you encounter any issues. Follow up with your vet if any billing discrepancies arise. This process helps ensure your pet receives care without financial stress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.